Hello everyone, this is Erin Wall, your Ponte Vedra Plastic Surgery Wellness and Lifestyle Clinic PA. Today we're going to provide you with a video on injecting your medication at home. When you receive your medication, it should come cold, most likely with an ice pack. You're going to want to go ahead and take that and put it back into the refrigerator as soon as you receive it. This medication needs to be refrigerated at all times. It should also be sealed. You'll notice that there's a cap on it. You'll go ahead and remove that cap before your first injection. Your medication is also going to come with syringes. You'll look at exactly how many units or mLs are meant to be injected. So remember that this may change every month. Every time you receive your new injection bottle in the mail with those syringes, you're going to read the specific dose that is meant for you at that time frame. When you're ready to inject, you'll take your vial and you're going to go ahead and wipe the top with alcohol. You're going to go ahead and take your designated syringe to your medication bottle and insert the needle directly into the rubber stopper after it's been wiped with that alcohol. Then what you'll do is pull back into your syringe the amount that is listed on your prescription. Sometimes when you're pulling back your medication into the syringe, you'll see a little air bubble, and this is something that we want to get out of the syringe before injection. So wherever you see that air bubble in the liquid, you can kind of flick or tap the outside of that syringe, and that will help the air bubble to float to the top. Then the best thing to do is pull back a little bit on the plunger of your syringe and then push back to your desired number, releasing that bubble so that way you have no little air bubbles in the liquid part of your syringe. Before injecting, you'll grab your same alcohol pad and you'll wipe that area. Once you've done this, you're ready to inject. You will insert the full length of the needle. You can begin to push on your plunger. The liquid can be injected slowly and steadily from the syringe into your skin. After we're done, the last step is to clean up your site. You're going to go ahead and take the needle cap that arrived with your syringe and recap that needle.